Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about what exactly is an astype. Astype is used to change the data type of a column. Let's say, for example, you have a data frame, and what if the column data type is wrong? Let's say you have a column wherein you have a integers, but still it shows like an object, right? When you have a wrong data type, how do you change it? That's where astype plays a very important role. So I have taken data set here, which is imported pandas, and taken simple data frame, which is related to sales, profit. So now I'm just checking df.data types. Just I want to ensure what is the data type of each column. You can clearly see that sales, it shows like an object, but sales column has a numbers. Similarly, quantity is also a number, but it shows like an object. So I want to convert these two data types into a different format. So how to do it? So very simple. I'm just fetching the sales column. You all know. So sorry, my data frame is df. So it should be df of sales, which is equal to df of sales dot as type, and you just need to mention to which data type you're converting. So clearly in our sales, we could see values are like a float, right? So I'm just converting into float 64. Done. Now you can just check df dot data type. So sales data type got converted into a float 64. Interesting, right? Same way do it for a quantity. So in a quantity column, everything is integer. So let's convert object into an integer. So what I'll do, I'll just call df of a quantity is equal to, again, the df of quantity dot as type, and you can convert into an integer 64. Well done. You can just check df dot data types. That's going to show you the converted data type. You can see quantity got converted into an integer 64, right? Similarly, you can also try converting float to an integer or integer to a float. Even that's possible. I hope this is clear. This is all about, astype function, which basically helps you in converting one data type into another format. So you just need to call your column dot astype, and you have to tell like which format you want. It just converts one data type into another format. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.